Hello guys, how are you? We are here with our next lesson of Office 2010. Today we will be discussing the ribbon, groups and alt function. Uh, Let me open Microsoft Word 2010. So here it's open. Ribbon was introduced in Microsoft Office 2007. In the older versions, there were no ribbon, and instead of um uh, toolbars were used in the old versions. In 2010, the ribbon was a lot updated. There is new items, new groups, and it it made it really easy to use the Microsoft Office with the shortcuts. Actually, the buttons in the ribbon, I would rather, instead of buttons, I would call it shortcuts, because it's just one click away. You just click on it and the required function is done. So first start with the ribbon. Um, there are different tabs. The tabs are introduced in the ribbon. This all area is called the ribbon of Microsoft Office interface. There are different tabs: home, insert, page layout, references, mailing, review and view. If we see Microsoft Excel, it also have some tabs in the ribbon. It has home, insert, page layout, formulas, data. We will discuss all this in details when we will reach to the application part, and we will discuss one by one the application itself. Like when we will be discussing Microsoft Word, then we will discuss all the tabs. Now, as we are in the introduction, in the introductive part, and we are, I'm sorry for my English, as I have said before that I'm not a native speaker. um, so here are the different tabs: um, home, insert, page layout, references, mailings, review and view. These are the tabs in Microsoft Word. uh, the next thing which I want to tell you is the groups. Different tools of the same nature are combined in groups. For example, the formatting group, which is this one, uh, the paragraph group, which is this one, and also it's having a short description or a name paragraph. It's font. You can see here the clipboard group. You can see this small arrow. Um this open further a dialog box to the same font group, which has more items, which are, because the area for the group is small and all the options cannot be displayed here. So this small arrow, whenever you see it, you will see more options related to that group. Here if we see, we open, we will see more options related to paragraph. We will discuss these items but not now. um, so this was the groups. You will see you can add more groups, and you can change the groups. We will also discuss it later when we, if you want to customize the ribbon, you can customize it from here. You can add groups to the ribbon, and you can remove groups. I would like to have a special lesson on that, because this is, we need to see it in details. But rather I would like, when we are in the lesson, when we will be discussing Microsoft Word, then I will have a lesson of how to edit the ribbon. Okay, so now, for now, I will cancel it. One more important thing which I want to let you know today is the alt function. Alt shortcut function. Actually, you can see an alt button on your keyboard. Whenever you have open any Microsoft Office application like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, Alt is a shortcut to the options in the ribbon and in the menus and in the submenus. For example, now I have opened the main Microsoft Word. If I press the Alt key on my keyboard, just to make it more easy for you, just let me open the on-screen keyboard, so you will be able to see it. And here is my on-screen keyboard. I have opened it. If I press the Alt button, this is the Alt button. If I press it, I think it will not work. I have to use the keyboard, the hard keyboard. Okay, so just to show you, this was the Alt button. You have seen, I think, OSK on screen keyboard. This is the Alt button. Okay, here and it's here. It's usually located on the same place in almost all keyboards. So just if we press the Alt button and just press it for some time, I don't know why my Alt function is not working. Yeah, okay, let me just you have to click on the typing area and then press the Alt button. You can see these small letters which is appear on the top of the ribbons of the on the tabs. For example, if I want to go to the insert tab, this, so I'll have to, after pressing Alt, I have to press N on my keyboard, and then again you can see here some small letters appear. For example, if I want to insert a table, then here it's the T, the small t, so I'll press the T on the keyboard, and here again you can see the small letters again, I, D, V, X and T. Okay, because now my mouse is pressing, so okay, so see, let's repeat it. Alt and then N as I'm inserting, and then T as I'm inserting a table, and then you can see the IDXT, the small. So again I'll go for insert table, I'll press I, and then here you can adjust the number of columns. For example, 5, I'll make it, instead of 5, 6. Number of rows, I'll make it 3, 4. You can do all this with the keyboard. 3, 4, fixed column, auto, and then I'll just press OK, and here our table is inserted. With the table, there is another tab, the design tab appear. Again, there are some extra tabs which appear when we open or call some special function in Microsoft Office applications. Again, we will be discussing it when we will be discussing the insert tab and the table in Microsoft Word. So the Alt function is basically only a shortcut. You can use Microsoft Office applications more faster with the Alt function shortcut. So that was enough for today. That was the end of our today's lesson. Thank you very much.